The first thing you need to do is to create your Facebook Business Manager. And you want to come to Google and you want to search for business.facebook. So you are going to see this one here, this first one. Or if you scroll down, you see Meta for Business, formerly known as Business for Facebook. Now, the best way for you to do this is make sure that you come to the regular Facebook and you log in into your normal Facebook account. So if you log in, it's going to be much easier for you, because if I click on this one now, it's going to automatically log me in because I am already logged in inside of my regular Facebook account. All right. So as you can see, I am now logged in inside of the Facebook. So if you are not logged in, you need to log in first. So go to the normalfacebook.com, log in with your normal Facebook email and password, and then now come back to this business.facebook.com. It's going to bring you to an interface like this. And the first thing you need to do is that you need to set up your business account. So if you come here, you see all these tools here. If you click on all tools here, so this is where it's going to bring you to the different business products on Meta. So this is where you create your business account, your pixels, your ad account, and everything that you need to do. So the first thing we need to create is actually the business itself. So if you come here, if you come under the advertise, you come to the ads manager here, or if you come back to the Meta Business Suite, you come to the ads manager, anyone. So if you click the ads manager, this is where you can start creating your business account. So your business account keeps things different from your normal account, and it's going to give you more control when you're advertising. So if you come here, you see that it says that we do not have any ad account yet. So we need to go and create a new ad account. And to do that, we want to come to the business settings. So click on this, you see all the ad accounts that you have, all the business portfolios that you have. So your business portfolio is basically your business account, and under each of the portfolios you can have ad accounts, you can have pages, you can have Instagram accounts, you can have a lot of things under that account. So you can see this one now, this is a personal account. All right. So the best practice is for you to create a business portfolio so that everything will be different. And inside of this business portfolio, you can create separate ad accounts. So we are going to come to the ad accounts here. We are already inside of this business portfolio. In case you come here and you see only this one that has your accounts here and the one ad account, come here, click on create business portfolio. So this is where you give your business a name. Just give it any name that you remember, then put your first name and your last name as they appear on your Facebook, and then put an email so that they will send you an email to verify. So once you create it, it will now show something like this one here. You see it on top of this one here. So you can create it for different accounts. All right. So as you do it, it's going to become clearer. So for now, it might be a bit confusing, but just know that what you need the most is your business portfolio. So if you log in, come here where you can create a business portfolio, give your business portfolio a name, then put your name, your last name, and your email. Simple. So after that, now we need to go and create our account. So we'll come here, we'll click on go to business settings. Under your business settings, the first thing you need to do is to add the people that we have control to this account. So this is another reason why you need to use your business account instead of your normal account, so that you can add people that can help you manage this account. So here you can see that the owner of this account has access. So if you scroll down here, this is where you see all the pages that you have. So you can create pages from here, and you can also add pages from here. All right. But we want to create our ad account first. So we'll come here, we'll click on create ad account. So you come here again, you click on add ad account, and you want to create a new one. You can add an existing one from another different account, but we don't have anyone here. So we are going to create one. So this is how to create the ad account inside of Meta. So under this add account here, you click on create and you are going to give it a name. So I'm just going to call this one new bumbles. So you can change this later. But another important thing you need to pay attention to is the time zone. Make sure you select the time zone that is specific to where you are. So in my case, I'm going to look for Lagos, Africa. If you're in Nigeria, you select Lagos, Africa. And the currency, this is very important, and this is what is going to determine how you are going to pay. So make sure you set it to the Nigerian Naira. If you want the easiest way for you to pay, you set it to the Nigerian Naira. All right, so this is the Nigerian Naira here. You want to scroll and find it, because your currency, you cannot change it later. So if you don't fix it, if you fix it now, you cannot change it later. So make sure to select the right one. So we'll come here, we'll click on next, and then select that this account will be used for my business inside of this Facebook. You click on go. You want to add this under the business portfolio that we created. So you come here, click on agree. So again, once you add it, you cannot remove it. So you come here, click on create, and we should create our new ad account. So your ad account is where you fund, where you put money that you use to pay for Facebook ads. So if you do not have an ad account, you cannot run the ads. So you can see now it wants us to add a new payment info, which is simply our payment method. So you come here, you click on next. You can actually do this later. So again, you see that it changes, but we are going to change it back to Nigeria. And the reason why it's changing to Sweden is because the owner of this account is currently not in Nigeria. So you want to switch to Nigeria. So again, this is important because of the payment options that you will have. If you want to pay in dollars, it's going to be a bit more expensive for you. And remember that if you change this once, you cannot change it again. So your location and currency cannot be changed one set. So make sure you are setting this to Nigeria. If you want to pay in Naira, if you want to pay in dollars, then you can set in dollars. If you want to pay in euro, any currency, you select it from here. So we'll come here, we'll click on next, and we will now be able to transfer to this account. So if you do not add Naira, you may not be able to transfer. So here you can see that we can now do by pay by bank transfer. We can do pay by Naira card and so on. So this is usually the most convenient way for you to fund your ad account. And that's why I'm doing it this way. So you can now select pay by transfer and click on next. So this is where you actually add the amount that you want to fund. So this is a prepaid ad account that we just created. So for the ad to run, we need to fund it manually. Again, this is the best approach for you if you don't want to be having payment issues and so on and so forth. This is usually the best approach. So you can add any amount that you want. I think the minimum is 100 Nigerian Naira. So you can add any amount that you want to add. So you can now click on next. So I cannot fund the ad account because it's saying it's noticing some suspicious stuff that I should wait. But if you added the amount, it's going to provide an account number for you to just transfer it into. So once you transfer it, you'll be able to see it under your billing. So to see it, you come to billings here. And under the billings, you should see your current balance right here. And this is also where you can add the fund in the future. So let's try that again. If you come here, you can click on add funds. And then you can select the amount that you want. So let's try with maybe 3,000 Nigerian Naira. You can do by bank transfer. So we are going to be using bank transfer in most cases. So you click on next. So just click on skip this. So again, it says they are noticing some something unusual, and for security, we are unable to add funds now. So this is purely for security issues, and because I'm currently accessing this account from a location that is different from the original account owner. All right, so we are going to give it some time and we should be good soon. But that's how you create your ad account. If you wanted to add an Instagram account or a Facebook page, you want to come back to the settings. So under the settings, you can see pages here. And then you can come here, click on add a page, and you can add an existing page. So if you already have that page, you can just add it from either your Instagram account or your normal profile here. So you can add it here, you can create a new page, or you can request a page from other people so you can manage their page from here. So if you wanted to also add an Instagram account, is the same thing. You come to Instagram accounts here, you click on add, and then remember that only professional Instagram accounts can be added. You come here, click on add Instagram account, and then you log into your Instagram account and just give it access to access your Instagram account, and also it will be added. So if you want to add WhatsApp, it's the same thing. So you can add business WhatsApp. So you come here, click on add WhatsApp. So you can link to a WhatsApp business account. So if you say link to WhatsApp business account, you come here, you select the country. So select Nigeria here, and then put the phone number, and they are going to send you an OTP to that WhatsApp account. Once you add the OTP, then you can add the WhatsApp account. The same with threads. You can come here, select threads, and then click on add threads. And in most cases, for you to add threads, you need to add an Instagram account. So threads, you open it with Instagram or through Instagram. So if you do not have Instagram, you may not be able to have threads. So if you have the Instagram connected, the threads should automatically be connected to it. But in case it's not, you can just come here, click on add threads. It's going to take you to the threads login, and you still log in with your Instagram account again, and then you connect it to your business portfolio and your ad account. So for pixels, this is where you create your pixels from. So you come to data sources, you come here, you click on data sets, and then you can create a new pixel that you can add either to your website or anywhere that you want. I've already created a dedicated video on how you can add the pixels, so I'm not going to do it here so it doesn't confuse you. But this is where you find your pixels under the data sets, data sources. You see datas and pixels and all of that. So this is how you can create a Facebook business portfolio the right way before you can start running ads on either Facebook, Meta, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and all of Meta apps or properties.